Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has inaugurated the first Ayushman Arogya Mandir in the national capital. A total of 33 such centers will be opened today over the course of the day. 17 Jan Aushadhi Kendras will also be inaugurated. 14 types of tests will be done free of cost at the Ayushman Arogya Mandirs. These include tests for hemoglobin, blood sugar, malaria, dengue and typhoid. 79 other tests will also be done free of cost, such as liver function tests, kidney function tests, lipid profile, thalassemia and thyroid tests. Yoga sessions will also be organized every week on Monday and Thursday. Mehendi Garg joins us for more on this story. Mehendi, take us through what the Delhi Chief Minister's plans for the day today look like.
Well, Uday, big day for Delhi today. You can see the visuals behind me as well, where Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is inaugurating the Ayushman Arogya Mandirs. And today, 33 Arogya Mandirs will be inaugurated by Delhi Chief Minister, by Delhi ministers and also the Member of Parliament. And along with that, 17 Jan Aushadhi Kendras will also be inaugurated. So right now, the big inauguration is being done by the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. And if we talk about the key facilities in the Arogya Mandir, Uday, then it is very important to note that how it is different from the Mohalla clinics as well, because in these Arogya Mandirs, 5 types of cancer will be screened. Pre and post care facilities for pregnant women will be provided. 12 types of vaccinations for children will be provided, and the medicines will be free of cost. Yoga classes will also be held twice a week, and not only this there, but also 79 types of tests through outsourcing will be done. 8 types of blood tests, 105 medicines, and 14 different types of tests will be done. But if we talk about the comparison between Arogya Mandirs and Mohalla clinics, so then talking about the facilities that Mohalla clinics were providing, then there were necessary vaccinations for children. And the major difference between Arogya Mandir and Mohalla clinic today is that the pregnant women will get more facilities in the Arogya Mandir, that is prenatal and postnatal as well. So these are some of the differences that Mohalla clinic and Arogya Mandir holds. But indeed today, a big day for Delhi, because Chief Minister is inaugurating the 33 Ayushman Arogya Mandirs all over Delhi, and people and the patients are coming in these Arogya Mandirs to cater these facilities and to visit the Arogya Mandirs as well. So there are vaccination rooms that have been made differently. There are immunization rooms, and also yoga and wellness rooms have been made differently. So there are separate rooms that have been made inside the Arogya Mandirs for the patients to have a better experience, and to if the patients are under severe conditions as well, so they can come here, take medicines here, and also can get the free tests here. So indeed there is a major difference between Mohalla clinics and Arogya Mandirs. Yes, Uday.
Mehendi, thank you for joining us with those updates.